My dear viewers, now discuss air and atmosphere based on icse class 6. Air is an important natural resource available on the earth. Air is present all around us as well as inside our bodies. Air has mass and occupies the space. Okay? All living things require air to survive. Okay? We cannot see air, okay, but you can feel it. You can feel the presence of air when there is movement of things around the earth. The movement of kite and the resulting of leaves proof that air is around us. Okay, the composition of air, that is nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases like argon, neon, etc., water vapors and others, dust, smoke, etc. The percentage of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, inert gas 0.9%, water vapor variable because place to place change the water vapor. Maybe example, near the sea level water vapor is high density, but the other place, desert place, is the water vapor is very low density, and dust, smoke, it is a variable density because the industrial purpose it is the smoke is very high quantities. Okay, my dear viewers, now discuss some very short type question answer. At first, write T for true and F for false. Okay. The percentage of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere is 21%. This statement is false. Okay. Next question. Oxygen does not support combustion. This statement false. Okay. Next question. Carbon dioxide is used by plant during photosynthesis. This statement is true. Next question. Dust and smoke are released from factories and by burning of garbage. This statement true. Next question. Question number 5. Inert gases are very reactive in nature. This statement is false. Next question. Humidity is high in coastal region. This statement is true. Next question. Oxygen is required for obtaining energy from food. This statement true. Next question, question number 8. During the combustion, only dust is released. This statement is false. Next question, question number 9. Petroleum fuels are cleaner fuels as they release less pollutant during combustion. This statement is false. Next question, carbon dioxide supports the process of rusting. This statement is false. Next question, question number 11. Painting iron objects prevent them from rusting. This statement is true. Next question type, choose the correct answer for each of the following. Okay. First question, the second most abundant gas present in atmosphere is option 1 oxygen, option 2 carbon dioxide, option 3 nitrogen, option 4 water vapor. Option 1 oxygen is the right answer. Question number B. Certain bacteria present in soil can convert atmospheric gas into usable compound. Option 1 carbon dioxide, option 2 nitrogen, option 3 oxygen, option 4 water vapor. Option 2 nitrogen is the right answer. Okay. Next question, question number C. Green plants make use of dash during the process of photosynthesis to prepare their own food. Option 1 carbon dioxide, option 2 oxygen, option 3 nitrogen, option 4 argon. Option 1 is the right answer, that is carbon dioxide. Next question, question number D. Which of the following is a solid fuel? Option A
that is option 1 diesel, option 2 wood, option 3 LPG, option 4 petrol. Option 2 is the right answer, that is wood. Oxygen is constantly replenished by green plants through the process of dash. Option 1 photosynthesis, option 2 respiration, option 3 sedimentation, option 4 combustion. Option 1 is the right answer, that is photosynthesis. Next question, question number F. Which of the following measure help in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature? Option 1 discourage carpooling. Option 2 encourage cutting down of trees. Option 3 use of fossil fuel like petrol and diesel. Option 4 use of cleaner fuels like CNG. Option 2 is the right answer, that is encourage cutting down the tree. Okay. Next question, question number Z. Which of the following metals is used for electroplating? Option A, that is option 1 sodium, option 2 tin, option 3 magnesium, option 4 calcium, option 2 is the right answer, that is tin. Next question type fill in the blanks. Okay. Now the question number A. Meteors burn and appear as shooting stars in the mesosphere. Okay. Next question. Dash is the most abundant gas present in the atmosphere. Answer nitrogen. Next question. Question number C. Nitrogen dash combustion of oil does not support. Okay. Next question. Dash is used in the treatment of cancer. Radon. Okay, radon is used in the treatment of cancer. Next question. Burning of fossil fuel releases dash into the atmosphere carbon. That is, burning of fossil fuel release carbon into the atmosphere. Next question. Rusting of iron objects makes them and shell strong. That is, casting of iron objects makes them strong. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please show the next part based on air and atmosphere. Part 2, part 3 going on. Okay. Thank you.